Hi everyone, I just want to say thank you so much for joining our Term 2 classes. We had a great term with our younger students creating a collaborative work as well as individual works. And with one of the groups, they chose the green sea turtle, and with that also coral as part of their composition. And I was fortunate to be able to collect some sea sponges on the south coast, where students were able to create prints from the sea sponges, looking at the different shapes and forms, and then they also developed that into the coral for the actual artworks itself. And they also created a print they learned how to draw a sea turtle as well as create a print of the sea turtle as well, which they've included on the group work. So here are some short snippets from the process of the 8-week term. I hope you enjoy, and this group artwork will be entered into the Wild Art competition for children, bringing awareness to threatened species, and hopefully we'll also have it on exhibition at other events at the end of the year.